Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
6 things that every woman wants in a relationship and every man should give it to her. The things that women want from a man often look a lot like shopping lists, with priority criteria they use to determine whether or not they would like to be with certain guy. The following information has been developed to help men, making them more informed and willing to seduce them, as well as to solve the curiosity of some, so take a look at the list. 1. Honesty. A woman does not want a man to lie on important matters. It wants to be an important part of your life, the most important part. In fact, he wants to know the things that happen to you and wants you to have confidence in it. He wants you to share your pleasant experiences and memories. He does not want you to feel that you have to lie, because when it is the case, it usually means that you are making bad decisions and making mistakes. 2. Understanding. She wants you to know her, inside and out, and he wants you to do the same, because in order to love, one needs to show our true self, not the one that perceives the majority. 3. Security. Financial. You do not have to be a millionaire. Well, for some women you may have to be, but hopefully they will just love you for the money. In general terms, the woman will thank you for having economic stability. It is necessary for her to feel secure. 4. Loyalty. We all have great egos, men and women alike. We want to feel special, to be unique and better than others. We are competitive by nature and we should not give it more turns. Women want a man who sees the world in them. 5. Sense of humor. What is better than a person who does not just laugh with you but follow the jokes, increase them and improve them? With a person you can be yourself without fear that you play as childish or silly when you are making jokes. You will enjoy every second. 6. Have good sex with love. Have good sex with love. It means to feel really loved. Many men who really love their partners do not know how to do it. Many men forget that a deep and affectionate kiss, a tender smile, a loving caress, gives us much more pleasure than the best sex in the world. Oral sex. Many women are willing to give it, but few are encouraged to ask. Oral sex loves women. Do not hesitate.